Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for YouHodler application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure to download the application on your device that says YouHodler and launch it open. The first interface of YouHodler will look like this. To sign up and create a new account, you will need to tap on the sign up option at the bottom. In the sign up form, select your country of residence and enter an email address and create a password for yourself. While entering an email, make sure you enter the email that you have an access to. Once you are done, create at least 8 characters long password, and then if you've got a referral code or a promo code, enable the toggle button right next to I have a referral or a promo code text, and then enter the code available in the text box. If you don't have a referral code, you don't need to do anything. Simply disable the option and then toggle on the last toggle menu at the bottom and tap on sign up. On the next page, you will now need to enter your code that has been emailed to you via the email address that you previously chose. Open up the email inbox and open up the email from YouHodler. Copy the confirmation code, paste it inside the YouHodler application, and on the next page, create a passcode for your wallet. Re-enter the passcode one more time, and if you want to enable Face ID or biometrics, tap on Allow. If you don't want to do it right now, tap on Don't Allow. Allow necessary permissions such as notifications by tapping the Allow button, or if you want to skip it, tap on Don't Allow, and you will now be able to sign up for YouHodler. So that is how you can easily sign up for YouHodler within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.